sure.
Right. Michel Foucault said knowledge is power, but if we want to consider if knowledge is power, we need to consider what knowledge is. Knowledge is the facts, the information, the skills acquired through experience or education, the theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. That's what knowledge is, defined by the Oxford Dictionary. How can this then be transferred to power? Because a lot of times people accumulate knowledge, whether it's at school or through reading or through studies or through other people, but then they don't apply it. So how can knowledge then be power? Knowledge can only be power through the application of knowledge to situations. For example, if you have knowledge about an industry, let's for example say finance or financial spending or financial advising, and you have this knowledge and you're not using it, how therefore is it power? It's not power, it's just knowledge. Therefore, knowledge is not power. It's the application of knowledge that is power, and this is wisdom. A lot of times we read books, we learn from other people, and we're gaining all this knowledge and we're not doing anything about it. But once we apply it to a situation, it is in these moments and these instances that knowledge becomes power, because we're applying it to something. Therefore, the application of knowledge is power, and this is called wisdom.